All right, so this was the last thing we did. um you can see we listed out the products, although it was an array of objects that we created within the shop components. That's the landing page. But we will try to fetch this from the database instead of using this products array. All right, so that's the goal of this particular class. Instead of using this product array, we want to fetch it directly from Appwrite. So we're going to have to transfer this to Appwrite, and we're going to do it manually. So the first thing that I am going to do is to go to my Appwrite. I already have it opened. Okay, this is my project. Let's go to the project level. um, the project level, let's say overview, shop. That's the project. So in the project, we'll go to the databases and shop underscore db, which is our database. There is only one collection, which is the products collection. So within it, let's click and add some data. So I'm going to create a new document. So the first, so I'm going to just copy what we have in that array. The name of the first one is shoe. All right, shoe. So I'm going to copy this shoe now and paste it in the um, space for name. The next thing is the price of the shoe, which is 100, just 100. um the description of the shoe, which we don't have here. Okay, I'm going to use chat gpt to generate random text that we can use. Okay, um please provide me with the description for shoe in my e-commerce web app. So I'm going to have it in a moment. So it's going to just be okay. This is the description. It's also giving us category now. Meanwhile, we don't have the category collection yet. So let's just copy this description and paste it in the place for. Okay, we have short description and then we have the description. Let's use it for the long description. And I'm going to have to ask ChatGPT to give me give me um short description as well. um i also need I also need short description, so it will just make it brief. So I'm going to have to copy this, then use it there in place of the short description. So we are done. Okay, I think there's one more thing that we didn't add, which is the images. So I'm going to have to edit it. We need the images to be there, which is empty right now. So we are going to have to edit this data. Let's go straight to the images. It's an array of string. I'm going to have to add the images. Of course, it's just one image we have for this shoe right now. Maybe as time goes on, we will add more pictures, more images, but for now, let's just put one and update it. All right, so we've created that one. Let's create another document that will be for the second one. So for that, I'm going to, okay, that's boots. Okay, boots is the name. Boots. The price is 200. 200. The image. Just copy the image. Copy the image and scroll all the way down to the image section and then add item, then paste it there. Then we'll go to ChatGPT to generate for boots. Generate for boots, boots, short and long description. All right, so we're going to have it shortly. Okay, so this is the short description, and then the one below is the long description. So we're going to just copy them and paste. This is the short one is the one I copied. Let me paste it here. Meanwhile, the long one is still there. Just copy that one as well. Copy it, and we're going to have to paste it. All right, so we can add more, but we are okay with these two for now. So I'm going to instead of using this, all right, let's just complete the entire thing. Let's go to the array again. The next one is sneakers and then sandals. So sneakers is the next data we're going to next document we're going to create. Sneakers, then the price for the sneakers is 300. We're going to just get description from ChatGPT. Provide that of sneakers. Okay. While that is going on, let me just copy the image URL from here, or copy and paste it right at the image. Let's add item and paste. Then let's go get what ChatGPT already generated for us, and this should be for short, and this should be for shorts. Okay, and we're going to just simply paste it for short, and the other one is for long. We're going to go get it. All right, so get this for long. All right, just here, and we're going to have to paste it here. Save this, create it. So the third one, which is the last one, is the next, the what's it called again, the sanders. So sanders, sanders, sanders. So I'm going to just call it sander. Going to, the price is 400. Then let's get the description. Okay, generate for sander. Okay, so let me just go get the um, image URL. Later on, we're going to design an admin panel where we can upload images ourselves instead of just using the image URL. So for now, we're going to be using the image URL until we are able to work on the upload from the admin panel. So let's get the short description for sander and the long description as well. So paste this one. The long description for Sander is going to be this. Let's copy it as well. So let's copy this. Copy the. All right. So that has been copied. So create it. Fine. We now have our products. So let's see how we can fetch them to the um, into our product list page. So instead of using this array of products, so first off we need to work on the Appwrite. We need to work on the SDK by installing the SDK. The SDK for Appwrite. Let's see, npm install um, Appwrite. Okay, I can just ask ChatGPT what's the command to install Appwrite SDK, right? It should show me what it is. All right, it is simply npm install Appwrite. So let's go there and use it. So that is, so let's install this. I already stopped the server. That's why I'm able to do this. Although we can use another terminal, but I just choose to stop the server so that we can install the SDK, then we can set it up properly. So now that it has been installed, we need to start the server again and then create a folder directly inside the app that is going to be called action. All right, inside that action we will create we will create um we will create just a moment.